Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shubham Mitra. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create YouTube channel art. Now, the YouTube channel art is basically the first thing that the users see when they come on this site. When they come on your YouTube channel. For example, now the reason is that yeah, the reason is that the channel art is the first thing that the users see. That's what I told, and it's an important part of making a strong first impression on the users that visit your channel for the first time. Also, you can use the channel art to convey key information about your channel, including your upload schedule, tagline, social media accounts, and more. Yeah, that is basically it. Now YouTube has certain measurements of the YouTube channel art. Now, there are many ways of making the YouTube channel art, but you could make it in MS Paint, for example. Um, you could just resize the canvas and all that, but the images would not be so high resolution, and there may not be some features. So you would use this site called Canva.com. Canva. There's no S, not canvas.com. Canva. Now I'll be showing. Yeah, this is my account in Canva. Second. Yeah, so this is my account in Canva. Now you can create lots of things on Canva, like presentation, a YouTube icon, Instagram post, logo, poster, video, Instagram story, animated social media card, photo collage, flyer, A4 document, desktop wallpaper, invitation, your story, YouTube thumbnail, basically lots of things. For example, this is thumbnail. If I type here YouTube, now first I have to create an account and log in into it. And this is a free account. It works well free. There's just some features that are missing in the free, so you can upgrade to the pro account. Now you can go to YouTube channel art. So the measurements of YouTube channel art is 2560, and in the width, and the height is 1444 pixels. So when you click on this, it will, yeah, you can either create a new blank YouTube channel art, or you can choose from one of these templates. Some of these templates are free, it is written over here, or for example, this one, it is paid. So for example, if you're a gamer or something like that, you can click on this template, or you can just create a blank YouTube channel art. I will be clicking on this template. I don't want to waste time. This is a pretty nice template. Now, when you make changes to this canvas, Canva.com automatically saves it. So that's not a worry. Now, The templates tab is here. Then you can go to photos. You can browse photos, maybe Minecraft. See? Yeah, this is a nice photo. So we add it over here or something. And over here in this text, you can add some tagline. You can switch to this text tab. I don't really suggest you learning from somebody like all of the features. I would suggest that you go and explore on your own all of the features, or just the features that you need. Like for example, in Elements, there's so many um, effects and filter, adjust, crop, flip. So in text, you could add a heading, a subheading, a little body of text. And when you start to end games, I want to modify the text. The font is pretty nice, hitch cut. I'll modify the text to say Minecraft. I mean, pretty nice channel art because of these gaming consoles title and this. But when you're creating YouTube channel art, try to keep it more focused in the center because if you when you're uploading the channel art, there are some issues like you have to it will choose automatically how much to display on which device the user is on. For example, if you're on a desktop, it will show only this much, only this much, and if you're on a TV, it will show the entire thing. So yeah, you have to keep that in mind. You could add audio, videos, background, for example, and then you can simply download it, clicking it here, click it here. If you want to animate your design, you have to upgrade to the pro version. Then file type PNG. I always download it in PNG. PNG, it it is maybe higher in size, but it has great image quality. And then these are pro features. For some changing the size, transparent background, compressed file, but it will be low quality. So you can click on the download button and it will get downloaded. Oh, yeah. So that is basically how you can create this YouTube channel art. Now I gave you the points why you should create a good channel art, and I showed you how to create your channel art. Now I hope you start a YouTube channel and you know put nice YouTube channel art that just shows your personality and all that. You can even check out my own channel art. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you're on my channel page. Subscribe to the channel, view all of my videos. I don't have like many videos, but you can view all of my videos. They aren't that lengthy. You can like uh, videos that you like. You just smash the like button and drop a comment down below. And yeah, just do it. I would just suggest you doing that. Back for the next video because it's going to be cool. And you do keep in mind that the YouTube channel art is a pretty important component of your YouTube channel. It can shape the first impression. So yeah, have a good day.